How are you doing, folks? It's Jeff here. Thank you very much for being here. I know so many people have been asking for some information, but today I'm very fortunate to have this very special guest from the USA, Mr. Eric. Welcome, Eric. I appreciate you being here. Now, Eric's a bit shy, so he hides a bit there and he doesn't like speaking, but he's here anyway, so welcome. So, for the people that have been asking, I'm going to share a video with you. So the first thing I'll do is I'll come to this group here. Trading Forex Funded Authority Method. 5,400 members cannot be wrong, ladies and gentlemen. 5,400 members. And this is our free education group. Yes, I do have a private mentorship group, but 5,400 people are taking advantage of the free stuff. Now, first thing I'll do is I'm going to show you my Tradingview chart. Tradingview is a trading platform. Yeah. Now, you can trade on this. You can trade stocks. You can trade Forex, futures, gold, crypto, options. Now, on my right-hand side here, I have three panels, sorry. A left panel, a right panel, and a right. On the right, these here are various futures. We have called mini futures, micro futures. Yeah. And I've got on here these ones here at top. This is oil. That's S&P 500 called the ES. NQ1, the YM, as in the Dow Jones US 30. Gold, silver. And the bottom, what we've got here, we've got 6A1, which is the exact same as trading on Forex, was AUD USD, but the spread with these are so much smaller. Great British Pound US dollar, it says 6B1, EUR US dollar, platinum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And the way I use this tool is to help me trade. This comes included with everyone that comes inside my inner circle. They get 9 mentoring sessions weekly. They get incredible amount of hours. They get incredible amount of tools. We give them access to AI that allows them to build their own strategies, and Eric's doing that. So I'm going to bring you to I don't know if you can answer the question, Eric. You see here, these ones in the bottom are a bit stronger colours. The reds and greens are a bit stronger than these. There's a lot of grey here. Yeah, I don't know if you can speak. Now, for him in America, you may imagine you wake up in the morning, and the first thing you do, you see what's been trending that day, whether it be up or down. So you wake up here and you see, well, I see Great British Pound, US dollars trending, the Euro's trending, US dollar, Ethereum has been trending. So guess what? Silver's been trending. So these are the things you can do. So you morning you wake up and you say, I'm going to trade Great British Pound USD or 6B1, as it says there. So I'm going to the left chart. Yeah, now this is on a 15-second time frame, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, put that aside. So let me just going to go here to today. There. And I'm just going to go to 0900. Yep. As if I'm in the States, I go there. And in a minute, it'll just move. So I'll get this out of the way. There's 900 there. And we know for the last day going back here, it's on a strong downtrend. Yeah, it's red, right? So you see here, there's been lots of downtrends, lots. So at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, all we're looking for with our macro trend, which we call our 30-minute trader direction, because we want to get in and out the markets. Now, these are Heikin-Ashi candles. I'll go back to normal candles in a minute. There. Yeah. So I just want to show you the difference between green and it's white. Why green? We have a color code these rather than just give arrows. Some people get lost. Is it an up or is it down? So we're only looking for sells this particular period. So what I'm doing, I'm also going to put on a powerful money line 1.4.2. Ladies and gentlemen, Now give us a minute, and there we go. Remember, so we wake up in the morning, we're expecting only sells. Now, I don't know if you can see this, Eric. So we put this on, and we get an
I
alert
can see
for
it.
sell. Can we look straight down, and we see this is grey, and we see this is green. I want this to be grey, I want that to be grey, or this could be red, that could be red, and I want everything to match. So yes, I could have got that trade, but we get a pullback. And then notice what happens when everything is completely 100% aligned. Just not grey, grey, red. Now, can I ask you, as you're looking at these candles, at any point would you consider buying them? Everything that is aligned. At any point, yes, there's a little buy signal there, but look at
No,
the
I wouldn't. I wouldn't buy it in this situation.
yeah. So everything, stay in the. If you want to exit the trade, you can. Then you get another self. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Stay. Look at these colors. At no point, the first one it's coming up, and right there, it puts his nose above there. It puts his nose above there. But remember that what the macro trend's saying. The macro trend says sell, sell, sell. So basically, that's what you do until that changes. You might get a pullback. So guess what? That was the perfect trade. So let's just say a trade normally with a risk to reward, like most people do, but it's not the only way. Just now, look at what we've even built in this system here. Put that just above the, if you wish, above the high, and you can, and it's still in a sell mode. Now, Kanashi, was that complicated?
Seems simple.
Simple. Now let's get another one. Let's go to the other side. We go here. So I'm just taking these here off of my trading panel. You've seen my trading panel before, so it's not something so we've got here. I've missed this one out. This is the Russell, okay? But I've got oil. Yeah, I've got ES, NQ, YM, gold, silver. I've got down 6A1, which is, and all the other ones here. So that was Great British Pound US dollar. Now let's check EUR USD. Now we'll check one other. So check Great British Pound. So I'm expecting sell. So go to 6E1. So I'm just going to click there. And I'm just going to click over here. So I'm to this one here. And that changed. And I'm only looking for sell. So step one. Yeah, I'll switch this off. You can see it gets a bit busy. Yeah, I wake up in the morning round about 9 I don't know when you first go to your charts, but let me just find 9. Is it before 9 or when do you normally go to the charts, Eric?
I go about 6 o'clock in the
6
morning,
o'clock?
six
Oh, well,
o'clock
that's really.
East.
Let's just keep it to the same time for just now, for 9. Yeah, so the other one. Now, step one, the background's green, but our trend, our 30-minute traders says, so our scanner says we're only taking sales. But for me, this is misaligned. Yeah, you missed that, but you just wait for this to go, the background to turn white. That's all we do. It turns white. All I then do is draw a line. Yeah, which I call a cash stick. So that would be the way we are now. Yeah. So I apologize. Do a bar replay mode just for transparency. Yep. I put a couple of oscillators on at the bottom. Here's ones I prepared earlier. The color green disappears. I wait for everything here. I want this to be grey here or red or change. This is already grey. This has not happened yet. Yeah, so I'm waiting. Everything, this is saying sell. This is saying sell, and it's just about to turn here as well. This is a longer term trend. This is a shorter term trend. And you can see we're just waiting for a little pullback now. We're waiting for a pullback. It even says, I don't know if you can read that. It says break. and we're hoping it comes back up to retest before dropping. It's built into it. I don't know if you can see that. Broke through. There's a breaker structure. Hopefully it's going to pull back and then just drop. Yeah, you've seen it there, retest, and now it went grey. So the actual entry would be there. Everything is grey or red. I've just made it grey at the bottom. There. I'm now going to just play this, and we wait until we get green. Tell me when would you consider buying at any point there? This is hindsight, yes, but this is using my tools. We're built in here for our students in here. Got that buy. If you want to exit, you can, and then you would re-enter straight away if you wanted to. But look at this. This is telling you there. It's potential reversal back up. But guess what? It's still red. This is the power. So we'll stop that for a minute. Okay. Look at that there. Let's do a risk reward. Let's see we get in right there. Right on that. Let's put this above the high, just like we did the last time. Above that high there, the lines drawn in, like the last one. Just simple using the tools. It's nothing fancy. It's just aligning everything up. That's all we're doing. Now it's got a potential break here. It could reject back up here, but it broke through. It did a continuation. See these red candles now? Look at this here. Absolutely beautiful. Could do another retest. It could. There's a little pullback and continue down. We'll stop that there. Do you have any questions at this time? Now, we've had one green candle, you see there? We've got a choice. This is grey, that is grey. If you want to take your money, you've had 2.5 there and 3 and basically nearly 3 here. That's all we do. And this is a 15-second time frame. Look up here. You can do it on a 5-second, 15, 1, whatever you like. So, Eric, I'm now going to shut up. And I'm going to ask you what you trade.
So I trade silver. Right now I'm doing silver.
Oh, excellent. Great thing about silver with futures, it's the spread size. But before looking at that, let's just go over the rules. Yep, let's come to here. And let's just ask myself, silver, where's silver? So silver's there. Where is it? There. It's been selling lighter, and you see that in the morning it started, boom, and it's sell. So we would never buy, would we? Based on what we see there. Yep. So let's go to silver. So we go to the right-hand panel here. It's all in one there. We go to I'm going to go that back, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm going to go to the other panel. Click once there. I've added another panel, which I probably shouldn't have done, but never mind. That's better. Right click there, reset. I'm going to go back to 9 a.m. like I've done for everything today.
Is that a trend scanner? That's a indicator, or is it a strategy?
This here, this is the left.
No, the trend scanner that you had to tell what has it been selling all day and all that.
So let me ask you a question. I have three. So I have just say A to the left, to the center B, or 3 to the C to the right. A, B, or C? Are you talking about
the center?
The center. This is a tool I built for a scanner for the inner circle team, which you can get full access to this. I can build as many of these as I like. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to go silver. Boom. It told me silver. So I'm going to go to 9 a.m. here. I don't need to look at that anymore. But I would keep it on the right-hand side. I go to 9 a.m. there. And I just wait. You got 9 a.m. And I just wait for the sell. Step one, we get it changed from green to red or white background. So guess what that means? We're expecting a sell because the longer trend and every time frame is telling us sell. So all we do, we get our cash stick. When it turns that, we double click to our tools. That says sell, but that doesn't yet. Both of these say sell. We look at this. We've just broken that break of structure. Hi, Rob. This is getting recorded for marketing purposes, Rob, and at the same time using it for education. Great to see you here. So our scanner here with silver says sell all day. So I want you to imagine you trade New York. You wake up, sell. This is live. You see it changing. You go to your charts. You go to silver. There's 9 a.m. And you're doing absolutely nothing to our alert here to change colors. This is our micro trend, also we call our 30-minute traded direction. Yeah, it's when there. We do absolutely nothing until our cash stick aligns. Everything says sell. Now everything's aligned. Got a breaker structure there. Let me just highlight this for you. It's built into the trend scanner. Right there. So the line goes. Yeah, it says retest. I don't know if you can see that there, Rob. That word retest. It goes down, retest, and away you go. And it actually pops it right back up there again and straight down. So you have choices. You wait for the retest or you enter there. Now, like what I've done with everything else I've been showing today, I'm going to do it. Yes, we've seen it, but we're actually going to do, can I do a bar replay? Yes, I can actually. I don't know what was happening there. Now, this is a 15-second time frame. Eric, just so you know, the other man on this call today, we call him Professor Dicker, Rob Kanashi, using something similar to this on a 5-second time frame. What would you say your win-loss ratio is? Would you say it's more than 50%?
Yeah.
More than 75%?
Yeah.
80, 90% perhaps?
Well, I did 80% this week, didn't I? Oh, 80.
And today you lost one out of 13. So that I would probably say 85%.
Mm.
Yeah, using a lower time from different tools, but using similar tools. So this here does not say sell yet. So we do not enter the trade. We wait for it. See, that's great. That's great. Everything is aligned. We enter that trade. Yep, right there. This, we go the other side of this, or we put up there. Let's put it for safety for beginners there. Other people might put it there. And yeah, I'm looking for one and a half risk to reward, but I set that because sometimes you get big impulses. Yeah, I'm going to put that down there, but I let the tools do the work. If I'm trading manually, I just observe the colors. But if I'm doing automation, well, guess what? It's not just let it do all the work. And just tell me, any point is this going down, would you ever consider buying so far? No. You might exit there potentially. That's just a little pullback back to the line. And then continuation as we were expecting. That's why we have something called a break and a retest built in. And it just keeps dropping. That'd be 1.5%. That would be the target hit, or just short of it. Yeah, just there. Oh, we did hit 1.5%. So I'd be happy with that. So we have a choice. Do we exit the trade or do we stay in the trade? Well, it's really up to you. You'd use your tools. This says it's still in a sell mode. Look, and if you stop for a minute, back to this. This is silver. It's been selling all day. All right now, it's starting to go sideways. It's consolidated. See, did you see that changing there? This is live, ladies and gentlemen. This is live.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I see that now.
Yeah. Got a small pullback. We can either exit if we wish, but I've not seen any green candles as such. I've not really seen anything saying, oh, look, still red. And this is in the 15-second time frame. Normal candles. This is the power you guys have got on your hands. Yeah. Small pullback. Exit the trade if you wish as it went green. Now we're waiting for 4 green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we just wait for it to turn red. There's the sell, but we do nothing until it goes grey again. Yeah, there's the exit there. This turns grey in the trade. Red, red, bang. Look at that. Got to be careful around about here. Oh my God, look at the power. Retest. This is the breaks there. Coming back for a little retest, perhaps. Yeah, there's the retest. Can you read that, Eric? A break and retest.
Yeah, I'm on my phone, so I can see it when I zoom in, though.
Oh, sorry. Now, at this point, it's still red. It's still red. Everything is still red. Although it's consolidating here, you see this consolidating. So you can either exit the trade now. We've got these stop there. Yeah, so we'll just exit that right there. There was 2, 3, or 4 in a row. So let's consider that. So that one there, when did we get in there? That one. So this, you either make a small loss, a small win, or a big win. It was a small win. So we entered there. The other one was a big win. So we're now off at least 4 green candles. So it's simple now. We're just waiting for a continuation down. Yeah, but wait for this to turn grey. So I move my cash. I keep moving my cash stick along. Oh, is that a new one? I do nothing until these turn red and these turn grey down here. Rob, same tools, but in a different way. You might say, Jeff, I'm missing out on that. I completely understand. But guess what? The overall trend has been trending down this morning with silver. Yeah, it's coming back now, but this is still in consolidation according to our tools. So we do absolutely nothing. Looks like we got now. Aren't you glad you listened to me with that? We do absolutely nothing until this is. So we missed that. Now, why are we not in that? Why are we not considering that? Because this has been telling us only take sells, keeping us on the right side of the market, which let for this wait for it to pull back. And guess what? It pulled back to a previous high here. It's went for liquidity. It's went for liquidity, and now we're expecting it to pull back down again. Took out everyone's stop losses all the way there, but we weren't in it. I do nothing until I get everything aligned. This is not grey, so I do not enter the trade. It's my rules, I stick to. Yes, this is a nice angle. I do understand it's a nice angle, but I imagine this will push back up and then drop. Pushing back up slightly. Look at that nice angle. But you develop it now, it's consolidating. There's a pullback. Excellent. Come on. I'm waiting for both of these to turn grey. Now, you could say I'm taking these, but I'd be going in line, which some people call the macro trend, which is the background is white, and then you're also using the direction of our trend strength scanner. Looks like consolidating now, so let's just stop that. So what you've seen there today, Eric, you've seen EOR USD, you've seen Great British Pound USD, you've seen silver. Let's just do one more. I could actually speed that up, actually, just to let you see what actually happened. Speed that up there. I'm going to do a breakout here below that there. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Oh, something's happened here. Stop printing for some reason. I want to break out there because it's this consolidation box. This has stopped working. Rob, you can see it's a little error. There we go. So at this point, I'll probably wait for that to break through there. Because this, just was already, just was about to hit the button. And we should be waiting for, it's stuck. So no more. I'm fed up with looking at that one. So I'm now going to go to, I got my trades at the start of the day. And I'm going to go to Ethereum. Does everyone see that there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the last little bit, it's been on the higher time frame, it's been buying. So I go to my over here, my scanner, I go to my Ethereum. There, oh sorry, not there. Yeah, there. Click that there. I just remind myself I'm only looking for buys on Ethereum. And I go to 9 a.m. because that's the time we just decided what we're using. Yeah. So let me just check this here. Did I hit the wrong button? So I'm going to 9 a.m. Delete everything. Let's go to 9 a.m. The exact same rules as we did for everything else. But remember, this is a 15-second time frame, which seems scary for many. Oh, back here. So our scanner says only take buys. Yep. Why did that jump again? There's 9 a.m. And you wake up, you're like, you've went to the charts, you know it's 9. What was I going to say? You're expecting buys. That says buy, but the one at the bottom doesn't. So we completely ignore everything until everything's aligned. You're like, Jeff, why do I have to do that? I could have won, but it's all about keeping you right. I only want to take buys, so I completely ignore all these. And if we do nothing, we do a lot. We missed out on all that trade because our scanner said buys. Yep. If you want to go against it, you can, and line all these up, you can. So all I'm just going to do, I'm going to wait for all these to be aligned or I stay out the trade. So I missed every single bit of that trade just to be completely transparent. Now, if you never had that, if this obviously does go back and forward, and you said, no, I believe in that's a buy, this is a buy, and that's a buy. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. But just like you know, this is the longer term trend at the bottom. Yeah, that's all I want to show you, ladies and gentlemen. Because people have been asking. So, in summary, how to use these tools. You can use them independently. You can use them with this in any way you can. And when this changes color at the bottom, and these go like this, it's telling you you're expecting a trend change. See, they're all about to change. according to both up and down. That's it. Observations, questions, learnings, or discoveries. Or I just press stop the recording just now. So for those people at home, I hope that's been useful. I'll stop the recording. I'll spend some time with Professor Dicker.